let's take a look at number 11. So we have find the value k such that this has a remainder of 9. So the first thing I'm going to do here is get this in the correct order. So I'm going to write this as x cubed minus kx squared minus 30x minus 18 over x plus 3. And when I say correct order, I'm going to use synthetic division in a minute, but we want descending powers of x. So x cubed, x squared, x to the 1, x to the 0. And then I'm going to write this as x plus 3, keeping in mind that the number that would zero out the denominator is negative 3. So I'll put that in the little house. I don't think house is a technical term, but that's what I usually refer to it as. So then I'll go with coefficients of 1, negative k, negative 30, let me make sure that negative is there, and then negative 18. And it's saying work this so that this remainder is 9, right? I ultimately want this to be 9. Whatever this remainder is, I'm going to set it equal to 9. So let's see what we get. Bring down the 1, right? Multiply across, add up and down. So negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. If I add these terms, I'm going to have negative k minus 3. Negative 3 times negative k minus 3 is going to be, let's see, negative 3 times negative k is 3k. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. 3k plus 9 minus 30, these are like terms, so that is going to ultimately be 3k minus 27. Okay. Oh, no, that's not true. Negative 30 plus 9 is definitely the number 21. Okay. Then I'm going to do negative 3 times 3k minus 21. So here we go. Negative 3 times 3k is negative 9k, right? Negative 3 times negative 21 is positive 63. All right, let me erase this 9. I'll come back to it in a moment. Okay, let's add like terms here. So negative 9k. 63 minus 18 is going to be 45, right? So there's my remainder, and they're saying that remainder is 9. So let's solve for k. So I've got negative 9k plus 45 is equal to 9. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 45 from both sides, right? So I'm looking at negative 9k equaling negative 36, right? And then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 9, and ultimately k is going to equal 4. Right? And if you weren't sure about this method, right, the other thing, that because this is a multiple choice question, you could let k equal 1 here and see if that remainder was 9, right? Once you perform synthetic division, you could try it with k equals 2, k equals 3, k equals 4, and it won't be until you try it with 4 that you would actually get that remainder of 9. So that's a technique with multiple choice questions. Sometimes you can kind of reverse engineer your problem and plug the answers back into the original question and see which one it was valid for. All right, thanks so much, everyone. Bye.